Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we will learn about analysis of variance, what is analysis of variance and why we use it. Here the analysis of variance is used to compare the means when you have more than two populations. Why two sample t-test is not used to compare more than two population means? Usually t-statistics is used to compare two population means when the sample size is small and both population have common population variance. Why not we use t-statistics again when you have more than two populations? The reason is that as the number of population increases, let's suppose you have four populations and you want to compare four population means. This means you have to apply t-test separately 6 times. This means you have to apply t-test 6 times simultaneously to compare four population means. This means why two sample t-test is not used to compare more than two population means, because it is lengthy and time consuming. The overall level of significance greatly increases as the number of t-test increases. This means when you have to compare more than two population means, you will use analysis of variance. The next is, what is analysis of variance? Analysis of variance, that is abbreviated by ANOVA, is basically a technique in which we partition the total variation into its component parts, each of which is associated with a different source of variation. This means we partition the total variation into two parts. One is called between sum of square and other is called within sum of square. This means we partition the total sum of square into two parts. One is between sum of square and other is within sum of square. This technique is based on the fact that the more sample mean differ, the larger variance become. The separate component provide independent and unbiased estimate of common population variance. The analysis of variance is actually a procedure. Therefore, compare two different estimate of variance by using F distribution to determine whether the population means are equal or not. In analysis of variance, we use F statistics to compare the population means. What is F distribution? F is a statistics that is a ratio of two independent chi-square random variables, each divided by its respective degrees of freedom. Actually, F is a ratio of two chi-square random variables divided by their respective degrees of freedom. This is all about the analysis of variance. Thank you.